All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Davis Martin here, head trader and teacher at dailyprofitmachine.com. Now, I want to talk about Friday's trade of the day and how it worked very well. All right, so I touched on three key things, and that was one, head and shoulders, two, shorts covering, and three, 5-minute chart. Okay? Now, let me go over all of those. Friday, futures were red. People were short the market overnight. I know a lot of people, I witnessed firsthand a lot of people I work with directly having gone short the market via put options. So essentially, you're shorting without actually shorting, and then cash out of them first thing on Friday morning. That's exactly what I would have done too, because, just take the money and run, start back over. Now, moving on, I want to clarify shorts covering, doing things like that, cashing out right at the open and stuff like that can create pops. Look at this 1-minute chart on the left. Pops, all right? Or look at this 5-minute chart, which I really want to focus in on. Small account up again, by the way, creeping up about 50% in 5 trading days. Not too shabby. Going for 100% this week, hopefully. So push up on shorts covering. All right. So let me make some more room here so I can focus on the charts more and tell you why this is important off the 5-minute chart and what the head and shoulders did. Okay. So 5-minute chart, very essential because you witness on the 1-minute chart, you witness things flying up. All right. You might think, oh my goodness, this is going up too much, too fast. Well, what can that lead to? Even though put options were definitely the right move on Friday morning, I mean, look at the up compared to the down. All right. Put options were the right move on Friday morning. Now, the 1-minute chart is going to scramble around so fast. The volume bars are going to switch from green to red, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And that can create a little bit of urgency or a little bit of newer traders, especially getting trigger happy and entering a trade too early. All right. That's what we want to avoid. We want a nice, precise entry, all right? So a much more risk managed and on top of that, just a calmer, more fun, um, just better in general approach to letting that head and shoulders setup come to you is using a 5-minute chart. All right. Let it take its time. Let the entry come to you. Try to be on point. Now, I entered like 2 cents off the best entry possible. And I just did it, which is pretty darn good for anybody who knows trading. And I did it just off of being patient and letting that setup come to me. Okay. 5-minute chart is what I was looking at. I was barely paying attention to the 1-minute chart because I've seen this before. I'll see it again. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Possibility of getting trigger happy and entering too early, creating a less profitable trade than you could have gotten. All right. I don't want that. So, 5-minute chart. Let's maximize. Now, I've even drawn a channel here. All right. Because we went in a downtrend. This is Friday's price action. Up, shorts covering, like I was just talking about. Two candles which look identical, except one's green and one's red. Perfect. That's when we start thinking about put options. All right, here's where I got excited. Additionally, we had a long wick on this 5-minute candle and a long wick on this 5-minute candle. See how it looks like a candle that you'd have like at your table on Thanksgiving dinner or something like that, on Christmas dinner? So it's got that wick on top. Why does that matter? Well, it's flirting with resistance from the day before and a strike price, 269.50. Members, you know what I'm talking about. And this wick here. Wicks can be signs of bearish things to come. All right. And my trade of the day on Friday was to buy to open put options. All right. I was betting against the market in the morning in particular. okay? And I'm glad I did because it worked very easily. It was fast, safe, easy, and profitable. And who doesn't love that combination? I want that all day, every day. All right. So up we went on the shorts covering. 5 minute chart allowed us to work with some patience and let the entry come to us rather than force an entry because you have some sort of gut feeling. And that wick, bingo, got exactly what we wanted. If you take a look at this formation, head and shoulders, baby. All right, rocked it. And man, there was a lot of downside potential. And on top of that, it created a bearish channel as well. All right, so that's a little more advanced. You can never know if a channel is going to present itself until after it's presented itself. But when it does, you can definitely work with it and work within it if you choose. So, shorts covering, 5 minute chart, head and shoulders, buy to open put options, down we go. All right. And that recaps how simple, profitable, and easy Friday's trade of the day was. All right. Really all you needed, nice and inexpensive. And hey, the proof that it's perfect for growing small accounts is reflected in my small account being up about 50% in like 5 days. Okay. So I'll talk to you, ladies and gents, soon. Have a great day. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Let's get at it.